Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to replace your engine filter um, for your Mazda CX-5. Mine is a 2018 Mazda CX-5, and I went ahead and purchased this Fram Extra Guard uh, filter, and the model number is CA11259. It's under $20 and it's pretty easy to replace by yourself instead of the dealer, so you'll be saving some money. So let's go ahead and take the old one, and what you want to do is locate the filter box, and those two little clips, you want to go ahead and unclip them. So go ahead and push down on them, and from there, now all you will have to do is slide the box out. And what you want to do is lift up the box first and slide it towards you, and from there, now it's free, and we will be seeing the filter from right here. And what you're going to do is now lift up the filter, take it out, and just slide it out, and we'll go ahead and replace it. So here's my old filter, and the old filter I have is pretty filthy from underneath. I think I haven't replaced it maybe, again, 8 months or so, so it's pretty dirty. So let's go ahead and take out the new one and replace it. So here's the new one. It's the same size filter, just newer. So we'll go ahead and place it back in. So you want to go back and align the filter in the box and make sure it's aligned. And what you want to do is sit it and push it down and make sure it's fitted and snug inside, just by pressing down on it. And once you get that part, you want to go ahead and just double check it and push it down just to be sure. And with those two little parts I'm pointing at, it's the one where you slid the box, top of the box, from. So what you're gonna do is, by returning the cover, you want to align it with those two little pieces in the back and make sure it's seated and not pinching the filter, and try to seat it and set it correctly. And once you seat it, it should not be moving around. it, it takes a little bit just to get it to sit straight. So go ahead, and once you're done, let's go ahead and replace back or clip back the box so that it's closed and tight with those two clips again, and just go ahead and lift them up and it'll clip right back on. And just double check the work, make sure it's not moving around. And those are the two clips right here that you will be lifting back up to lock back the box in place. And what you want to do is make sure in the back area the cables or the wires it's not pinched on the bottom, it's free, not stuck. And just double check it again, make sure it's not moving around, and go ahead, let's just throw the old filter away. And I went ahead and just double checked, make sure nothing's inside. I left anything. You won't really need any tools. It's pretty much just replacing it. So there you go. And excuse the engine, it's pretty dusty, so I'll be cleaning that pretty soon. And once you're done, just go ahead and close your hood, and we're done. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.